Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I will be sharing my top 5 favorite lipsticks under rupees 100. Also guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates which I post on. So guys, as I said you all, today I will be sharing my top 5 favorite lipsticks under rupees 100, and this is going to be the part 1 of the under rupees 100 lipstick because I have a lot of favorites. So I will be sharing the part 2 soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that as well. So that was it guys. Now without any further ado, let's get started. The first lipstick is the LA18 color Pops matte lipstick, and this lipstick retails for rupees 75 for 4.3 gram of the product, and the shade that I am displaying in here is called Nude Fix. So this is how the packaging of the lipstick looks like. A very decent packaging for 75 rupees, and this is the shade Nude Fix. As you can see, it's a really nice pastel pink color, like it's a combination of pink and brown, I can say. These lipsticks are super affordable, like they just retail for rupees 75, so they are super budget friendly and they are good for daily wear as well, like for college and office going girls. And these lipsticks are not completely matte, like they are semi matte lipstick. They do transfer, like it depends on what kind of meal you are eating. And guys, normally the staying power of this lipsticks is approximately 2 to 3 hours. The color will suit more probably on medium to dusky skin tones. I'll just swatch it for you guys so you'll come to know what kind of shade it is. So guys, this is the shade Nude Fix. It's a really beautiful pastel pink color with a hint of brown. Very beautiful color. Medium to high pigmentation of the lipstick and super affordable. It's a beautiful color. It will suit medium to dusky skin tones. It's a really nice color. I love it. The second lipstick is the Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick. Now this lipstick retails for rupees 80 for 4.2 gram of the product, and the shade that I am having in here is called A2 Nude Coffee. So yeah. So this is how the packaging of the lipstick looks like. They come in a cardboard box basically, and this is the shade A2 Nude Coffee. So guys, as I said, these lipsticks retail for rupees 80. So these lipsticks are extremely affordable, like really good for beginners. The formula of these lipsticks is really comfortable. They are extremely pigmented. These lipsticks are not completely matte, like this lipsticks has got a creamy texture, and also the staying power of this lipsticks is approximately 3 to 4 hours, depends on what kind of meal you are having, and the color is more suitable for fair to medium skin colors. So this is how the swatch of the lipstick looks like. It's a really beautiful orangish brown color, will suit fair to medium skin tones, and they are extremely pigmented. One swipe application, really comfortable on the lips as well, and it's a beautiful color. This is the shade A2 Nude Coffee. Beautiful. Moving on, the next lipstick is the Biotique Natural Makeup Lipstick. Now this lipstick retails for rupees 125 originally, but then I got it on a discounted rate, that is for rupees 80 on sale, and the product the quantity basically they are offering is 4.2 gram. So yeah. Talking about the packaging guys, these lipsticks basically come in a cardboard packaging, and inside the box we have this lipstick. So this is the shade can see it's called Winter Kiss. Now guys, these are super affordable range of lipsticks from Biotique. Like, these lipsticks are so creamy, like the formula is so creamy, and they have got that one step application. They are extremely pigmented, glides easily on the lips, and it is one of the best lipsticks in the beginner's kit. Like, it's a must have. And the lipsticks are not matte, they are transferable. The staying power of the lipstick is approximately 2 hours. You need to touch up after a meal or so yeah, but it's good for daily wear, like people who love to wear bright colors. This is amazing, and it's affordable as well. So this is a swatch of the lipstick. It's a beautiful deep pink color, will suit almost all skin tones. Extremely pigmented, one swipe application, creamy formula. Just love it. As I said, the staying power of this lipstick is not that great, but then what can you expect, like for 100 rupees or so. It's really good. Okay, so the next lipstick is again from Insight. Now this is the Insight Cosmetics non-transfer liquid lip color. Now this is basically a liquid lipstick, and the price for this lipstick is they retail for ₹75 for 4 ml of the product. So this is how the packaging of the lipsticks look like. They come in a cardboard packaging, and inside the box we have this lipstick. Now this is in the shade 07 Satin Rose. This is a really nice pink color. So guys, as I said, this lipstick retail for ₹75. Now can you believe a liquid lipstick for ₹75? But yes, Insight Cosmetics has made this amazing lip colors for ₹75, and trust me guys, these are amazing lipsticks. Like you definitely need to have these lipsticks if you are a liquid lipstick lover, and if you want to spend like on a budget. These are amazing lipsticks, and the color payoff of this lipstick is just amazing. Guys, these lipsticks are smudge proof, and they're extremely pigmented, and also they're weightless on the lips, and they're not that drying as well. But you can wear a lip balm underneath, but then the formula of this lipstick is comfortable, and I just love them. Stays for almost 4 to 5 hours, but then depends on what kind of meal you are having. So guys, this is a swatch of the Insight Cosmetics non-transfer liquid lip color in the shade Satin Rose. This is such a beautiful pink color. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I just love this color so much. Very affordable lipsticks. I must have in a beginner's kit as well. They dry up quickly, like within 1-2 minutes after application. Such a beautiful color. I am in love with this shade. Highly recommended. Okay guys, last but not the least, we have a liquid lipstick again. Now this is the Insight Cosmetics non-transfer lip color. Now this is in the shade 02 Red Alert. Yep. Now guys, this lipstick carry the same features like the previous one, because they both belong to the same range. So I'll just quickly get into the swatch of this lipstick. So this is the swatch of the lipstick. The shade is 02 Red Alert. It's a beautiful, beautiful deep red color. Will suit all skin tones. Just love the color. Beautiful deep red color. Amazing pigmentation, one swipe application, extremely lightweight. So this is how it looks. It has completely dried. Such a beautiful red color. I just love this color so much. Such a beautiful red color. Highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended. So guys, that were my top 5 favorite lipsticks under rupees 100 part 1. I hope you people enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and do share it with your friends and family members, and also let me know in the comment section whether you want to see the part 2 or not. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates which I post on. I love you all.